there's an electrical outlet up here.
Anything like that.
Charles!
Got it.
Charles, man, do I have new lines or not? No!
Well, you just lost all your new lines, Martin.
Guys, this is gonna be great. Get the lights and camera set up on that end. We'll shoot this direction first. Joe, get the mic plugged in and make sure that the new batteries are in the camera before you do the makeup.
Okay. I took apart 2 packs of cherry bombs and I made my own MAE. Do you want to see it?
Your obsession with fireworks, and I'm saying this as a friend, concerns me and my mother.
Sweetheart, this is my job. I have no choice. It's nothing that you need to worry about. What am I supposed to do, go to Michigan with you?
Martin!
Sweetheart, this is my job.
I wrote a new line.
What? No.
What do you mean, no? It's awesome. Okay,
Dude,
so you know that part?
I just finished memorizing this line.
It's not gonna be hard. Do you mind? Okay, so
No.
you know that part where you say
The other line go.
it's gone. This one's better.
Here.
No, it didn't. I love you. I did. I just made
There.
this one.
Thanks.
Look.
Now I'm not prepared.
Look, it flows better. Honey, I love you. I love you too. See? It flows.
I know, but you keep changing things and making it more difficult for me.
It's Martin. It's simple. I love you. It's like 4 words.
My dad works at the mill.
4 words that I don't have. Martin, say I love you. Could you close your eyes, please?
Yeah.
So the scene is very emotional. Alice, Mrs. Hathaway really doesn't want her husband to keep investigating these
Yeah,
Sony
I know.
murders.
We
They're
read it.
really
We get
dangerous.
it.
God, I'm distracted. Martin, get in position. You need to reassure her. Wait, do you know what reassure her means?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, we're gonna shoot on Alice's side first. Okay, Preston, so a few seconds after I say action, I want you to walk over to the payphone. You know, make the place look like it's busy. Hello?
I know what that looks like.
Asshole! Could you stop blowing shit up for 2 seconds and deal with the camera?
God, sorry, man.
Okay, you guys, let's rehearse this. But remember, save the real performance for when we're filming. Here we go. Positions and action.
So I'm gonna stay here and investigate. I think it'd be safer if you left town for a couple of days.
John, I don't like it. This case, these murders.
Well, what am I supposed to do? Go to Michigan with you?
Mackinac Island's beautiful this time of year.
Sweetheart, this is my job.
The dead coming back to life. I think you're in danger.
I have no choice.
You do have a choice. We all do. John, I've never asked you to stop. Never asked you to give up or walk away. But I'm asking you now. Please. For me. Don't go. Don't leave me. I need you to know this isn't the last time I'm going to see you. I just love you so much.
Love you too.
Was that good?
Yeah, that was great. Production value! Carrie, put film in the camera, right?
I didn't put it in.
What? Put it in, Joe, get the mic ready, go! Costume,
I will.
Martin, get that tripod set up. Preston, get in position.
I will.
Go! Martin, you know your line. Carrie, get that camera ready, go!
Shut up. We'll start on Alice and pan to the train, right?
God, I hope we don't miss it.
Shut up! I'm trying!
Get that set up. Positions. Ready. Start filming. Be extra loud when the train passes by. Here we go. And action.
Look, I'm gonna stay here and investigate. I think it'd be safer if you left town for a couple of days.
John, I don't like it. This case, these murders.
What do you want me to do? Go to Michigan with you?